Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing from Italist.com. I've been obsessed with this website lately because they have a rotating list of items, designer items on sale, and some are like not on sale but cheaper than what you find in the US. So I got this time a Marc Jacobs bag, and this is my very first Marc Jacobs. And I've been wanting this bag for some time, so when I saw it on their website, I was super excited about it because I've seen it here, but not on sale. And this I got for a really good price. I got this for $233, and it's an amazing deal with the taxes and duties included and free shipping. So it's a black Hipshot belt bag, and it has a gray side, and if you open this up, it has a white interior with these really strong magnetic closures. And then on the back of the bag, it has a card slot for you to put a card in. And it's a belt bag, so on the belt it says Marc Jacobs, and it's super cute. And it has an adjustable strap. So this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 holes, so you can fully adjust it. This size is the medium large, but it also comes in the small medium as well. And yeah, it's super cute. So let me open the bag. So this is like getting 2 bags in one, because let me show you, when you open the bag, inside the bag has a detachable strap. So it's a gold hardware strap with a little white leather top, so it's like comfortable on your shoulder, and it's a crossbody, but it's fully detachable, so you can wear it as a crossbody bag or you can wear it as a belt bag. And inside, let me show you where you can detach it. So inside here, you can take this off and detach it on the loops. And also inside the bag, you can see in there is like 1, 2, 3 card slots for you to put cards. And it's not super roomy, but you can definitely fit like a wallet and your iPhone or your phone and keys in there. So yeah, it's a great little size bag, and it's like a shiny leather material, so it has kind of a sheen to it, and it's kind of like rough, so it's like it won't scratch easily. Yeah, it's super cute. Thank you for watching my video. If you like videos like this, subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button down below, and follow me on Instagram at Designer Hall. See you next time.